What life looks like in an Asia-centric world. For over a century, the world has largely revolved around the West. The biggest economies, the most powerful countries, the center of global influence. But what if that's already changing? What if we're quietly entering an Asia-centric world, and most people haven't even noticed it yet? Today, Asia is home to more than half of the world's population. And more importantly, it's becoming the engine of global growth. Countries like China, India, and across Southeast Asia are expanding rapidly, building cities, infrastructures, and industries at a pace the world hasn't seen in decades. Walk through the places like Shanghai, Singapore, and Seoul, and you'll see a glimpse of what the future might look like. But in an Asia-centric world isn't just about economics. It starts to change everyday life. The products you use, the apps you download, even the companies you work for. More and more of them are coming from Asia. Supply chains are shifting, manufacturing is evolving, and businesses are increasingly looking east, not west, for opportunities. In many ways, the center of gravity is slowly moving, and it's pulling the world along with it. And it's not just business, it's culture too. From K-pop dominating global charts, to anime influencing entertainment worldwide, to Asian food, fashion, and media becoming mainstream. Asia's cultural influence is spreading faster than ever before. This kind of influence, often called soft power, shapes how people think, what they consume, and what they aspire to. And right now, Asia's soft power is growing. At the same time, global trade is being redefined. New partnerships are forming across Asia. Investments are flowing into emerging markets, and companies around the world are adapting to this shift, moving operations, building connections, and positioning themselves closer to Asia's growth. This isn't something that might happen someday. It's already happening. This doesn't mean the West disappears, but it does mean the balance is changing. The world is becoming more connected, more competitive, and increasingly centered around Asia. And the real question is, are you paying attention to where the world is heading? So, what are your thoughts? Drop a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, also hit that notification bell for more vlogs, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.